Hello guys, welcome to Ernest Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you step-by-step procedure on how you can connect your OKS Web3 wallet to Memefi mining bot. If you know you participated in Memefi mining and you don't want to miss your airdrop, you have to watch this video to the end. Before we start, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Also, if you are from Nigeria, India, or some other countries where OKS is not working, you have to install VPN into your phone and activate it before you start this process. Okay, so let's start. Go to your phone Play Store. This is my Play Store or App Store, depending on the phone that you are using. Search for OKS. This is OKS. Yeah, you have to install it in your phone. If it's already installed in your phone, update it to the latest version. Okay, update it to the latest version. So for me, I've already installed it, so I will click on open. Remember, you need VPN to do this if you are from Nigeria, India, or some other countries where OKS is not working. Okay, so when you click on open, if it is your first time, it will show you an option to create a new wallet or import an old wallet. Preferably create a new wallet. If such option is available to you, create a new wallet. This is because you might say, okay, let me use the old wallet, and at the end of the day you end up compromising your main wallet. So simply create a new wallet and note down the recovery phrase. Okay, so for me, I created this wallet some minutes ago just for this Memefi airdrop. So you can create a new wallet or you can import an old wallet. If you have an old wallet like this and you want to create a new wallet just for this Memefi airdrop, you click this place that you're seeing wallet E account 01. You click on it, you click on add wallet, then you select create new wallet, import wallet, create new wallet. It will create a new wallet for you and you save the recovery phrase, or import wallet and you will now import your old wallet. So whichever option that was good for you is okay. So after that, after creating a wallet, it will be exactly like this. It will be 00. There will be no money there. So under this send, receive, history and more, you see a page like this which you have to slide left or right until you see this Memefi. Check Memefi airdrop eligibility. You see it is the first page here. Check your Memefi airdrop eligibility. You click on it. When you click on it, it will prompt you to connect your Telegram. So you click on connect Telegram. Remember, if you are from Nigeria, India, or some other countries where OKS is not working, you have to use VPN. Go to Play Store, download any VPN, set the location outside the US. You can still use US, but I prefer setting the location outside the US. Like now, I'm on VPN, and the location is Norway. So you can use outside the US, or you can still use US, but make sure you are using VPN so that this process will be smooth for you. Okay, I'll click on continue. Okay, you can see from my VPN it's showing Norway, so you just have to change it to your country. For my own, I will change it to Nigeria. Then you enter the phone number of your Telegram where you have your Memefi, like the phone number that you used to create the Telegram account that you have your Memefi airdrop there, or that you used to mine Memefi airdrop. So I have to enter my number now. Then I'll click on next. Okay, they just sent notification to Telegram, so I will have to go to Telegram and confirm. Okay, you see it. I'll confirm that I'm connecting to OKS.com. So it's now accepted. I'll go back to OKS. I will accept as well. You can see it's now connected. It's now connected. You can see my username here, Ernest Academy. You can see the wallet that I just connected, the wallet address here. Then you can see the amount of coin I have, 17.2 billion. You can see the spin that I have, 283. Memefi premium, yes. Turn transaction, yes. Telegram star, yes. Like this now is connected. So I'll go back to Memefi mining bot. Okay guys, I'm back to Memefi mining bot. I'll click on the task here. Then I will click on check the task. Let them check if you have performed the task or not. Okay, I will click on connect wallet. Okay guys, I have to go back to wallet and sign the transaction now. So let me go back to wallet and sign the transaction. Okay, this is it. I'll sign. That's confirmed. I'll enter my password. It's done. I will now return to Memefi mining bot again. You can see it's completed. Update wallet. So I've finished the connection now. I'm now prepared to receive my airdrop or to claim my airdrop on chain. So that's all. It's not hard. It's quite simple. Okay guys, don't forget to share this video, like and share this video with your friends. Share it on all your social media platforms to help others. Thank you.